How to fix there was a network error. Please try again. Error 2000 on Twitch. Hey guys. In this video, I am going to show you that how to fix there was a network error. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. For the first step, open your web browser. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Now click on History and then click on History again. Next, click on Clear Browsing Data. Once you're on this screen, set the time range to all time. Make sure to select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. You can unselect everything else if you want, but just keep those two checked. Now click on Clear Data. For the second step, go to the search bar and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when the pop-up appears. Once it opens, type this command, ipconfig/flushdums and press Enter. And finally, for the last step, just restart your computer. After restarting, the issue should be fixed. I hope this was helpful. If this helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.